Ever wondered how to craft compelling content for affiliate marketing? Well, you're not alone. In this digital age, affiliate marketing has become a cornerstone of online business, a strategy that can't be overlooked. It's a method that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You like a product, you promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Simple, right? But the key to success in affiliate marketing lies in the content you create. The better your content, the more your audience is engaged, and the higher your chances of making a sale. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating content for affiliate marketing that truly resonates with your audience and drives sales. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey into the world of affiliate marketing. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of creating content for affiliate marketing. The first step in creating effective content is understanding your audience. Let's imagine a scenario. You're at a party and you decide to tell a joke. You start with a joke about quantum physics, but no one laughs. Why? Because your audience doesn't understand quantum physics. The same principle applies to creating content for affiliate marketing. Your content should be tailored to your audience's interests, their level of understanding and their needs. Now, how do you get to know your audience? The answer is market research. Market research is like a compass. It guides you in the right direction, helping you understand who your audience is, what they want, and how you can deliver it. It's about digging deeper into your audience's demographics, their age, gender, location, and even their hobbies. But demographics are just the tip of the iceberg. You also need to understand their psychographics, their attitudes, interests, and behaviors. Are they tech-savvy? Do they value sustainability? What social media platforms do they use? These are the kind of questions that will help you shape your content strategy. Let's take a step further. It's not enough to know who your audience is. You should also understand what they want. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they looking for? Your content should aim to solve these problems and provide these solutions. Remember, your audience doesn't care about what you want to tell them, they care about what they want to know. So instead of pushing your products, pull them in by providing value. Teach them something new. Help them solve a problem. Make their lives better. That's how you build trust and loyalty. So how do you appeal to your audience? The secret lies in the art of storytelling. Stories are universal. They cross boundaries of language, culture, and age. They evoke emotions, and emotions drive actions. Tell stories that your audience can relate to. Make them the hero of the story and your product, the magic wand that helps them conquer their challenges. Once you know your audience well, you can tailor your content to meet their needs. And that, my friends, is the key to creating compelling content for affiliate marketing. After understanding your audience, the next step is product selection. Now, this might sound like a simple task. You might think, I'll just pick a product that I like, and off we go. But hold on a minute, it's not quite that simple. You see, the product you select for promotion is like the heart of your affiliate marketing campaign. It needs to be something that not only you believe in, but something that your audience will find valuable and relevant to their needs. So how do you choose the right products? Well, there are a few factors to consider. Firstly, relevancy is crucial. The product should be something that resonates with your audience, something they can relate to. If you're reaching out to fitness enthusiasts, for instance, promoting a new high-tech treadmill might be a great fit. Secondly, consider the quality of the product. You don't want to risk your reputation by promoting a product that doesn't deliver on its promises. So do your homework. Try the product yourself, read reviews, and ensure it's something you'd be proud to associate your name with. Lastly, you'll want to look at the demand for the product. Is it something people are actively searching for? Are there trends or seasons that could influence the demand? These are important factors to consider, as they can greatly influence your potential earnings. Remember, the product you choose will be a reflection of you. It's not just about making a quick buck, it's about building trust and providing value to your audience. Choosing the right products is key to your affiliate marketing success. Now, let's dive into the heart of affiliate marketing: content creation. Content creation is the lifeblood of your affiliate marketing journey. It's the vehicle that carries your affiliate links to your audience. But not just any content will do. We're talking about quality, original, valuable content that resonates with your audience. So, what types of content can you create? Well, there's a world of possibilities out there. Blogs are a classic choice. They allow you to go in-depth on a topic, providing valuable information to your readers while subtly integrating your affiliate links. You could write about the latest trends, share tips and tricks, or even do a deep dive into a specific product. What about reviews? They are another excellent type of content for affiliate marketers. People love to read reviews before making a purchase. It gives them confidence in the product. But remember, honesty is key here. Share your genuine thoughts and experiences about the product, the good and the bad. Then, there are tutorials or how-to guides. This type of content is great for products that require a bit of know-how to use. You can show your audience how to get the most out of their purchase, again, naturally incorporating your affiliate links. And let's not forget about video content. With platforms like YouTube on the rise, creating video reviews, tutorials, or informative content can be a powerful way to reach your audience. But remember, no matter the type of content you create, originality is crucial. Your content should be unique, fresh, and engaging. It should stand out from the crowd and capture your audience's attention. Moreover, it's vital to provide value to your audience. Your content should not just be a vehicle for your affiliate links, it should provide your audience with something of worth. Teach them something new, help them solve a problem, entertain them. When you provide value, you build trust. And when you build trust, your audience is more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. And speaking of affiliate links, it's important to integrate them naturally into your content. They shouldn't feel forced or out of place. The goal is to make your audience feel like they're getting a recommendation from a trusted friend, not a sales pitch from a marketer. So when you sit down to create your content, keep these points in mind. Think about what type of content would best serve your audience, how you can make it original and valuable, and how you can smoothly incorporate your affiliate links. Remember, your content should not just sell, but also provide value to your audience. Creating great content is just half the battle. The other half is getting it in front of your audience. Now let's delve into the world of content promotion and search engine optimization, or SEO. These two elements are crucial in making sure that your well-crafted content doesn't go unnoticed. Think of content promotion as your personal herald. It's the one that shouts out to the world, "Hey look, here's something you might find interesting." There are numerous ways to promote your content. Social media is one powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are teeming with potential customers. By sharing your content on these platforms, you're casting a wide net to capture as many interested individuals as possible. Email marketing is another effective promotional method. It allows you to reach out directly to your audience, keeping them updated about your latest content. Remember, personalization is key here. Emails that are tailored to the recipient's interests and needs are more likely to be opened and read. Now let's talk about SEO. It's like the compass that guides your audience to your content. By optimizing your content for search engines, you're increasing its visibility on platforms like Google. This means when someone searches for a topic related to your content, your page is more likely to show up in the search results. But how do you optimize your content for search engines? It starts with keyword research. Identify the keywords your target audience is likely to use when searching for information related to your product. Once you've identified these keywords, incorporate them into your content. But remember to do this naturally and sparingly. Overstuffing your content with keywords can lead to penalties from search engines. Also, make sure your content is easy to read and navigate. This includes using headings and subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs. Search engines favor well-structured, user-friendly content. Promoting and optimizing your content isn't just about increasing its visibility. It's about reaching the right people, at the right time, with the right message. And when you do that effectively, you'll see an increase in your traffic, and more importantly, in your affiliate sales. Promoting and optimizing your content effectively will drive more traffic and increase your affiliate sales. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. To start, understanding your audience is the bedrock of successful affiliate marketing. It's about getting to the heart of their needs, wants, and pain points. Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, the next step is product selection. You want to choose products that align with your audience's needs and your brand's identity. Following this, we dove into content creation. Remember, your content is the medium through which you communicate with your audience, so make sure it's high quality, engaging, and valuable. Don't just sell, educate, inspire, and entertain. Lastly, we discussed promotion and SEO. No matter how great your content is, it won't make a difference if nobody sees it. So, use SEO strategies to increase your visibility and promote your content across various channels. With these steps, you are now equipped to create effective content for your affiliate marketing journey. Get started today. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.